So this is a quick unboxing video of the wall mount hose reel by Eley, or at least that's how I pronounce it. This is an aluminum water hose reel. It's very highly rated and actually works very well. So let's get this open. The box is kind of hard to open, but like that, very well packaged. This is a 1041 model wall mount garden hose. Make it. The cool part about this is it comes with all the parts you need to assemble. There you go. That's everything right there, with all the stuff that's needed to put this in. Comes with screws. This is for mounting it on the wall. This is actually to put the hose reel on the wall. This is a thing to turn it. Here's your handles and your installation tool right there. Hose, 5-foot hose to connect everything. This is the arm that actually holds everything together. Instruction manual, and then your two parts to the hose reel right there. All right, that is everything that's in this package right there. So there are some things that you need to do before actually mounting this on the wall, and I'll just show you guys that actually the initial assembly is actually very easy, and it actually gives you great pictures of how to do everything. So we'll just follow this manual real quick to do the pre-assembly before we go outside. Alright, first thing is open this box right here. They give you the tool that you need right here. We don't need this for now. We need these 3 screws and we need the handle. This we will save for outside. Put that to the side. This hose is for the outside install. We don't need that right now. This is also for outdoor installation. The first thing what we do is, all you have to do is just put this and put this together. And just put, this part is the part where the bolt needs to go through. And you just line the holes up like so. Take the screws. We're going to use the smaller side. Put it in, and we line it and just tighten. Pretty simple. It makes installing this hose reel really easy how they have all this designed. If they got that in, just tighten. And that will just stay down. That's all we need to do there. Next, after we did that step, we're going to go to the next step. Just put in the handle. What we need to do is we need to take the screw out of the handle and then just put it right through. this little thing right here. You need to take this screw out of the handle. Come on, not screw. Put this back into the handle, and this is going to go right here, and this is what's going to let us reel the thing back in with our hose. So screw it in right here. Screw it in. And what's neat is you'll have to actually screw this in. While screw it in, it's kind of like a pressure fit. It'll keep going in till the screw meets the metal and it stops. It'll become a little bit, every time you go, it'll become a little bit harder. But you just keep going. And you see, I think that would come in a little bit. But anyways, all you have to do is just screw and just get it tight. Now there's not much, and that'll be good. As tight as possible as you can get it. There will always be enough room right there. That's good. Alright. That's that assembly, which is pretty easy. The only other pre-assembly that we're going to do is the arm, and I'm going to do a parallel mount, which is like this at my place. So a parallel mount, and we're just going to do that. This part, take the thick side right here, just come out, the thick side right here, and it will just come out. It might be a little greasy right there, so be careful with that. Put that to the side where it doesn't dirty up the rug. Same with this one. Put it on the side where it doesn't dirty the rug first. Then, because I'm doing the parallel mount, it's going to mount like this. It's going to mount like this right here. So what we're going to do, put that in. Take the screw and washer. And just insert it. Don't do your first one too tight because we need to still get the second one in. So if you can see what I'm doing, just putting that in. This probably is the hardest screw to get in because you just have to line it just right to get it in. But it is a pretty perfect fit once I find the screw hole. There it is. Kind of hand tied it to make sure I got the threads in before I actually use the tool. There we go, got that side in. And then get that through. And now all we need to do is just use the thick side, get it tight. Get this tight, as tight as I can. There you go. And that's it. This is it for the pre-assembly. At the end, it's going to look like this. Where this is just going to roll out the hose, and we'll see you next time when I actually mount this thing outside. Thank you. Have a good day.